Here's my electrical panel in its normal configuration. We don't have any of these, so they're normally left off. And I've turned off the converter to take it out of the loop, so it can't possibly be part of the problem. Here's the LiTime install. You can see that I have the converter wire disconnected here, so it's isolated from the loop at both ends. Can't be part of the problem. The solar disconnect switch is turned off. It completely separates the solar from the rest of the electrical system, so it can't be part of the problem. Here's my electrical cord plugged in. This is the shoreline. And here is the end of the cord that I'll be testing. Here's the head of the cord. No lights are on. I'm going to turn on the batteries and power up the inverter. As the inverter powers up, you see there are lights on the cord showing that it's backfeeding power to the cord. Here I'm testing the voltage on the cord. 22.2, 22.78, and on this one 23.7. So nearly 24 volts of power are coming down the cord when the inverter is turned on. If the transfer switch is working properly, there should be no power coming to this cord. Factory reset on the inverter. Okay, we're going to do a factory reset. Go to code 30. Going to change it to on. Hit set again. Should be reset. Still have power coming to the cord. So here are the settings on the inverter. And here you can see when I turn the inverter off, the power to the cord goes away. So the only thing that I can think is that the power transfer switch in the inverter is allowing power to leak back through to the short cord. So what do you think is happening here? Please leave a comment below if you have any ideas. Thanks.